Welcome to another episode of Beyond the Sex Talk. My name's Lisa. I'm a counselor as well as a sexual health educator, and my goal is to provide non-judgmental, sex-positive knowledge and skills so individuals can make healthy, confident sexual decisions. So today's episode is a little different. I'm just going to have a did you know? So, did you know that not all cultures and communities see and treat gender as binary? What does that mean? Well, they don't just see a boy and a girl or a female and a male. So here's some examples. In the Native American tribes, they actually had a term called two-spirit. This is for a person who is considered neither a male nor female. They're not determined by identity, they're not determined by gender. And in fact, they were highly recognized and respected in their community. Here's another example. In India, there's a third sex called Hidra. And they are referred to the trans people and their community. In fact, in Pakistan and Bangladesh, the government has recognized them as a third sex. So that means they are legally a Hidra. Last example, in the Arabic language, the term Xanith is a term for individuals in which case the gender identity does not match the biological sex. So there are many wonderful terms out there that acknowledge, respect, and are used for individuals who are not in a binary scenario. They're for the individuals that their gender identity does not match their biological sex, or for truly what their spirit does identify with. So for more information about sexual health topics, subscribe below, as well as follow along on my Instagram as well as my Facebook page. Until next time, this is Lisa on Beyond the Sex Talk. Cheers.